the story of the rainbow, an Indian legend. Once upon a time, all the colors in the world started to quarrel. Each claimed that she was the best, the most important, the most useful, the favorite. Green said, "Clearly, I am the most important. I am the sign of life and of hope. I was chosen for grass, trees, and leaves. Without me, all the animals would die. Look out over the countryside, and you will see that I am in the majority." Blue interrupted, "You only think about the earth, but consider the sky and the sea. It is water that is the basis of life, and the clouds draw this up from the blue sea. The sky gives space and peace and serenity. Without my peace, you would all be nothing but busybodies." Yellow chuckled, "You're all so serious. I bring laughter, gaiety, and warmth into the world. The sun is yellow, the moon is yellow, and the stars are yellow. Every time you look at a sunflower, the whole world starts to smile. Without me, there would be no fun." Orange started next to blow her own trumpet. "I am the color of health and strength. I may be scarce, but I am precious, for I serve the inner needs of human life. I carry all the most important vitamins. Think of carrots and pumpkins, oranges, mangoes and papaws. I don't hang around all the time, but when I fill the sky at sunrise and sunset, my beauty is so striking that no one gives another thought to any of you." Purple rose to her full height. She was very tall and spoke with great pomp. "I am the color of royalty and power. Kings, chiefs, and bishops have always chosen me, for I am a sign of authority and wisdom. People do not question me, they listen and obey." Indigo spoke much more quietly than all the others did, but just as determinedly. "Think of me, I am the color of silence. You hardly notice me, but without me, you all become superficial. I represent thought and reflection, twilight and deep waters. You need me for balance and contrast, for prayer and inner peace." And so the colors went on boasting, each convinced that they were the best. Their quarreling became louder and louder. Suddenly, there was a startling flash of brilliant white lighting. Thunder rolled and boomed. Rain started to pour down relentlessly. The colors crouched down in fear, drawing close to one another for comfort. Then Rain spoke, "You foolish colors, fighting among yourselves, each trying to dominate the rest. Do you not know that Creator made you all, each for a special purpose, unique and different? Creator loves you all. Join hands with one another and come with me. Creator will stretch you across the sky in a great bow of color as a reminder that Creator loves you all and that you can live together in peace, a promise that Creator is with you, a sign of hope for tomorrow." And so whenever Creator has used a good rain to wash the world and a rainbow appears in the sky, let us remember to appreciate one another.